Hello guys, and welcome back to my new video. Guys, my favorite project, Moonriver. uh, I think that most of you must be curious now because of the price pumped for Moonriver. Should you sell now and rebuy afterwards? In this video I'm gonna tell you my opinion about Moonriver, what would I do, and then at the end of the day you decide whether you wanna do the same or do your own thing. Okay, so let's get into the video, guys. As I always say, guys, the inflation is still high for Moonriver. It's 4% a month, so it's still a lot to come out. So if it's gonna, let's say, in the next 6 months, if we're gonna have a bear market still, that's 6 times 4%, that's 24%. So in the next 6 months, 84% of the token should be out. So 24% on this 60% is still a lot of inflation, so it can push down the price a lot. So you guys need to do your risk management. Basically, is it too risky for you? Are you gonna have enough funds later on to rebuy at $6, let's say, if it's dropped there, or can you survive the period when you buy at $9 and then it goes to 6 and then after it goes to 500 again? So to not sell at 6 and so on. So guys, you need to do your own risk management, but I'm just saying that token still has a lot of inflation, but it's my favorite project and I'm buying shitload of Moonriver always. So Moonriver is number one for me. It's basically a testnet for Moonbeam network. So it's like they are testing dApps on the Moonriver, and once it works, it goes on Moonbeam. It seems like Kusama for a Polkadot ecosystem is a test net, and once they test the products and they are good, then they go to Polkadot. So it's basically a similar thing. So it has a huge use case. The circuiting supply is the total in general. The supply is so low. It's 10.6 million coins. Bitcoin has 21 million. Obviously, you cannot compare Bitcoin and anything else, but I'm just talking about supply so you can have an understanding of how high it can go. So Bitcoin has 21 million supply and it's $23,000. So this one have half of that, so it has 10 million supply. So okay, of course I'm not expecting it to go, I don't know, 10,000 or something, but even if it's gonna be like crazy FOMO, and which I believe is going to happen because there is that much of money that's going to come into this bull market, guys, in the upcoming bull market, that it's going to be insane. It's going to be rocket science from compared to all the other bull markets before, because before the institutions were not here. So now the institutions are in the game. They are not hesitating whether they should get in. Is it Bitcoin safe? Is it Ethereum safe? And all these projects. They know that they are safe. So now there is backing up with institutions. They are investing billions of dollars, institutional money, and obviously they don't want to not gonna let the crypto market die out, because it's in their interest as well to make a lot of money. So guys, the amount of money that's gonna flow into this next bull market is gonna be insane. It's gonna be magic. Seriously, I'm telling you guys. So DCAing at this time is gonna change your life for sure. Okay, I want to show you guys one thing here that they have announced the news. Basically, they say big news. The Moonbeam Foundation has officially secured Moonriver's parachain slot for the 3rd consecutive year. So, guys, huge news. I always telling you guys that Moonriver is the fucking best project. You know, it's one of the best projects. My favorite. It has a use case, is a chain, it's usable, it's not a meme coin, it's not a metaverse stupid game, you know, or something, you know. This is a chain, a net, so it's gonna be crazy. So with the Moonriver continues to operate as a parachain without interruption, the go-to smart contract platform for deploying apps on Kusama network. So I'm telling you guys, Kusama and Moonriver are gonna do crazy things, as well as Moonbeam. Obviously, Moonbeam is the main chain. So, good news from Moonriver, guys. They're having always better and better news. So I love so much what they do, and that they are updating us as well. Let's see what's happening with the price here as well. So obviously the price hurts when we're looking at the all-time high. it was listed on Binance at the peak of the bull run at $540. So ever since, obviously, we were going down, and we went all the way down to 560, 585 was the bottom of for the Moonbeam, and ever since we have like this like small rally. Basically, it went almost 2x. It at $12 would be 2x, so almost 2x. But if you're looking at it, it's basically the chart. It's look exactly the same like for Moonbeam. So we get back to this level here. Now the question is whether this level can hold here. Can hold here. So if we cannot hold here, obviously we're gonna have a retracement lower. Look, guys, my opinion, this was still a downtrend. You know, okay, this had a bit of pump, but for me this is nothing like far from a bullish. I think Bitcoin gonna retrace back to 20k at least. I think it's a fake pump. If you're looking at both of the pumps that happened, it happened on weekend, Saturdays, so when it's low liquidity. If you're looking at the liquidity down, there is basically nothing for Bitcoin, and the price pumped so much. So the institutions are playing leverage trading to liquidate all of you guys. So be careful with leverage trading as well. Don't trade leverage, guys. Or if you do it with like small small percentage of leverage, because you can get liquidated, then after you can lose all your funds, and you cannot get into the best projects in the bear market. So this pump, I wouldn't FOMO into this one, guys. The thing is, my opinion is, I wouldn't sell now Moonrivers, but I would wait as well if I would want to DCA more, because you can see here we had few times as well, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4th time, you know, 5th time here, touching this line. You know, it can go to here to $10, but I think it's more likely that it's gonna retrace back to here around 850. But to be honest, you know, like 5% up or down you buy, it doesn't matter really. So basically it's a good buying opportunity even now. I bought at 788. I think I shared it with you guys last time in the video, long time ago, and I said if we drop lower, I will buy more, but I didn't set up a buy order here at this $6, so it didn't go through. But I will set up for 6 and 6.5 as well, buy orders. If it goes through, it goes through. If not, I have enough of Moonriver, so I'm not bothered. I bought enough before. So in my opinion, look, yes, the price has increased, but nothing major. Basically, what is up 7% today? It's nothing. So by any sense, by all means, it's not time to sell, because if the price would go up, let's say tomorrow, to like $15-20, yes, I would sell probably half, because I know that it's going to retrace. If it goes tomorrow to this $22, then of course I would sell, because to go 2x in one day and to sustain the price there, it's impossible, especially in the bear market. So that's what I would do. If it would do like a huge spike, like to, I don't know, even here to like $17 or anything above there, I would sell, because I would have for sure retracement at least to like 12 or 13 or something, so I can make like 30% more. But only in one day. If it pumps in one day up to $17, then I would sell, because for sure it's gonna come back. But because it cannot pump 70% and remain up there and tomorrow continue. You don't see that in the bear market very often. So in that sense only, but in this case to sell, it would be a stupid thing, I think, stupid move. But you guys need to do your own research and decide whether it's a good sell point for you to sell here at maybe $10 and then rebuy at $8.50 for 15%, to risk that you can possibly get out of the game if they flip you, and if it never comes back to $10, then you are fucked. So you lost all your coins. So I don't think it's worth of trading it now. If it drops lower, buy more. But to sell it now, I think it's not the best idea. Guys, yeah, that's all my opinion. I think we're gonna go back to these $540, even though inflation was high and still high. Now it's 60% out, and at the time when that all-time high was at $540, we had about 20% of the coins out. So now we have 40% more out in circulation. But because, in my opinion, Bitcoin gonna go at least to 120k. If Bitcoin can double its market cap from the previous all-time high, then how much X Moonriver can go? So at least it's gonna go back to this $500, but I wouldn't be surprised even for $700 Moonriver, because I'm telling you, the institutional funds that gonna come into Moonriver and every crypto project gonna be fucking insane. So insane. So that's my opinion, guys. Easily this high and even higher, but not time to sell definitely now, guys. $540 it was before, and now you would sell it at $9. Would be dummy. Guys, join the Patreon if you want to get buy alerts from me. I'm sharing every project, any project, even low market caps like 1, 2, 3, 5 million market cap projects as well, which I find legit good project for the long term. You get the buy alerts with this $20 tier or above. You have here other tiers as well. You have buy, sell alerts, VIP Telegram group, one-to-one consultation, and with this one you get days before I upload on YouTube, so you can buy up the project if you believe in the project that I'm investing. So I will tell you even days before even I buy, and then obviously you have time to buy into project if you want to. If you don't want to, don't join. So yeah, I think in my opinion it's no brainer, guys. Every day so many people are joining. I have every day more and more people, like the previous day, more people joining the Patreon. So don't miss out. This is a ridiculous amount for $20. Obviously I cannot give it for free. I make enough money even like this, but I want to give you guys opportunity to make, because I don't want you to miss the bull market, because if you don't make enough money now and you don't invest now in the bottom prices into the project, then you're gonna miss out the whole bull market. So if you put, I did so many projects, 5, 10, 5, even 10. I think one project was 15x. So imagine if you do like 2x with $200, that's you are $200 in profit, and that would be 10 months of my Patreons for that money. And yeah, I'm sharing like few buy alerts a month for this price. So I think it's a joke. It's basically nothing. So guys, if you want to join, if you want to make money in bear market, join the other guys as well, the other Patreons, and give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.